Hello, my name is Ali, and I'm doing Masters in Health Communication in the College of Communication Arts and Sciences. And basically, I'm from Pakistan. Pakistan is in Southeast Asia, neighbor to India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China. I have done a Masters in Management from Pakistan, and I have around 4 to 5 years of work experience there. In 2005, Pakistan was hit by a massive earthquake, and I worked there with a USAID project for 2.5 years as behavior change communication manager. Then in 2010, it was hit by a lot of floods, massive floods because of the climate change. Then I was working for water sanitation and hygiene projects in the southern areas. Because of the very extensive work experience with the communities on ground in the villages, uh, I was able to secure a Fulbright scholarship to come here for my masters in health communication. I've been here since last 1.5 years now, and all of this time has been very instrumental in developing me as a very progressive health communication executive. It has always been a dream for me to come here for higher education. One of the reasons, because in Pakistan there is literally no university who is offering a degree in this field that I'm working, and there is a lot of need to work in this field. And second thing is because when I was working there, even when I was working there, I used to look at the scientific documentaries and videos and magazines, and I used to look at the interviews of professors and researchers. I mean, it was such an intellectually enriching experience to listen to them. So it was a very high aspiration for us to come here, and it would not have been possible without the funding. Like, during my time here, I have spent like every minute to get the best out of the facilities and the resources here. Uh, the library, the conferences that happen here, the exhibition, the seminars, the expos, even the sports facilities. I go for swimming, I play squash. When I came here, I came with my family, with my child. So I kind of understand the need of a family, of a student parent to settle down here in these extreme winters and this situation. So I'm also working as a volunteer with Student Parents on Mission. That is a group of family resource center at MSU. I try to help the incoming families for settling down and uh, to help them find resources for child health and for their basic needs. I'm very happy to share that I'm going to complete my masters in August, and I'm going to start my PhD from fall. Um, and during my PhD, other than my academics and research and publications, I look forward to do two new things. The first thing is that I want to learn new languages, and I want to learn Chinese language, and I want to learn French language. I want to learn Chinese because at Michigan State there are thousands of Chinese students, and it's a very rich culture and heritage, and I want to build more relationships with them. And I want to learn French because as part of my PhD I might be working in the African countries, because there is a big project here working in Africa for food system innovations, and I really want to learn the language that is being spoken in Africa. That's all most from my side, and I once again really appreciate the opportunity, and I look forward to hear from you. Thank you.